Hi everyone, I received an action camera from GearBest to review. It's a ThiEye T5 Edge. It's a 4K camera with image stabilization and distortion correction at 4K, although you can only enable image stabilization or distortion correction one at a time, not both together. It also comes with a remote that has a microphone for voice activation, so I'm pretty excited about this. I've been using a ThiEye T5e, which is also a 4K camera, for a while now, and it's actually the camera I use for sim driving videos. So let's do a side-by-side comparison of the two. However, I need a mount to mount them side by side. So let's design and 3D print a mount. You can watch my video of how I did it here. Okay, now that we have mounted them side by side, let's take them out and compare the two.
Excellent.
Thanks, man. Yes. Yeah.
Why is it full of starfish? That's what they do.
I'm not sure if the starfish got themselves there or if they brought them up, but I'm
But
not.
that's not their nest. I mean, they don't
No.
sleep in the rock. They sleep in. Where do they sleep?
They sleep underneath the rocks, yeah. They make their own nest out of the leaves. The females, their favourite fish is garfish. The males, they tend to like squid. And do you know what an anchovy is?
No.
So it's like a small oily fish.
Okay.
That's like their delicacy, their favourite. Yes. Yeah.
Why is it full of starfish? That's what they do.
I'm not sure if the starfish got themselves there or if they brought them up, but I'm
But
not.
that's not their nest. I mean, they don't
No.
sleep in the rock. They sleep in. Where do they sleep?
They sleep underneath the rocks, yeah. They make their own nest out of the leaves. The females, their favourite fish is garfish. The males, they tend to like squid. And do you know what an anchovy is?
No.
So it's like a small oily fish. That's like their delicacy, their favourite.
So I guess the question is, which camera is better? For me, it's very difficult to decide. I think both of them are very good cameras and both are excellent value for money. You can't go wrong with either. With the T5e using the latest firmware, the image stabilization is much improved and you can use both image stabilization and distortion correction at the same time up to 1080p. However, there is no stabilization at 4K unlike the T5 Edge. I think my favorite mode for the T5e is 1080p at 60 frames per second with image stabilization turned on. On the other hand, the T5 Edge at 1080p does not look as sharp as the T5e. However, the T5 Edge seems to be sharper at 4K compared to T5e and it supports image stabilization at this resolution as well, whereas the T5e does not. In terms of audio, there is no comparison between the two. The T5e is much better than the T5 Edge. Version 2 of the T5e supports an external microphone to make it even better. Unfortunately, mine is the first version and does not have an external microphone jack. I have two things I must mention that I do not like about the T5e. The first is the on-off button. A slight touch will turn on the T5e and this is a problem because if you put the camera into your pocket or your bag, it might just turn on. When you take it out to use, you might find that it has run out of battery, and that is very frustrating and has happened to me a couple of times. The T5 Edge does not have this problem because you have to press the button for 3 seconds before it turns on. The other thing I don't like about the T5e is the red sun flare that can be seen whenever you point the camera towards the sun. I'm not sure if it's just my T5e that has this issue. If you have a T5e and don't have this problem, please let me know in the comments below. So that's my take on the two cameras. If they combine the best features of the two cameras, you might just have the perfect camera. As it is, neither of them is perfect, but both are very good and either of them is an excellent buy. It just makes choosing which one a little bit more difficult. I'm interested in knowing what you think, so please let me know in the comments below. If you're interested in buying either of these cameras, there are affiliate links in the video description below. There is no extra cost to you, but using these links does help me a little. Thanks for watching and have a great day.